Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's episode. Today is Friday and marks the last trading day of the week. And before we go to the charts, let's check fundamentals. And looking at today, we have no news for USD. We have no news at all. So let's go back to the charts. And looking at gold, the market is crazy, honestly. Yesterday, we actually had the move to the upside, but I was actually anticipating it could go a little higher to touch this level at the 80, but it got to 69.7. So even the TP at 70 did not hit. 3 pips to hit TP and the market reversed. So if you were not at home to close the trade and you were waiting to hit TP, the next thing you heard was a stop loss, and that was crazy, right? That was crazy. But it's all part of the game. You can't skip it, right? Now, what's really happening today? What's really happening? Well, let's clear this chart. And the massive sell yesterday was so massive, but let's go and find out what's going to happen today. Now, if you look at gold, you can see that now the double top has been confirmed. A double top confirmation, as I told you on Wednesday rather. On Wednesday, there was a double top with a tweezer top formation. And yesterday was a massive sell. And if you look at it, look at where yesterday's candle closed. And it closed below this particular level. And this morning, there has already been a push to test here already. But I'm expecting this level to be touched today. 32.85. Oh, is it 32.85? 32.39 rather, not 32.85. 32.85 has already been touched. Yeah, so I'm expecting this level to be touched today. Now you can see that the market has retested, according to daily, has retested this particular breakout right here. So are we going to see a massive drop all the way to the 39? Let's go to H4. Wow. Now, if you look at H4, you can see that good. The market went to touch this level H4 and has been pushing up. Can it push all the way to this level 31, 33, 31? If it does, that will be another opportunity to sell gold. But I'm not sure it can get there. The reason is because this was a rally base rally. Now the base has been broken, right? The base has been broken and the market has retested the base with this particular candle. So I'm anticipating a continuation sell. So let's go to H1. Now, if you look at H1, this is how it looks like. You can see that the market went. So look at the H1 structure. Push, 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 push. Now it pushed to the upside, it came down. And instead of it to push higher, instead it closed below this structure. And yesterday we retested and dropped. So this is the higher high, higher low. Okay, let me use this so you can understand. A high, low, high, low. So instead of another high, that did not happen, right? Yeah, it did not happen. Instead, what happened was this, and a high even lower than the previous high, and then a low lower than the previous low. So the downtrend has been confirmed with a lower high, a lower low, lower high, lower low, and a lower high. So we should be expecting a lower low right here. All right. Yeah. So this is a probability, what I'm saying. But due to the session we are in, I don't trade this particular session. Today too, I'm not going to trade. So if you are going to trade, this is what you should expect. Just watch out, okay? Now you can see that the market is respecting this level, and of course it has to respect because it is strong, right? Yeah, this was where we were waiting for yesterday, and then it activated this level and flew 400 and something pips. Right. So once it has tested this level, the next candle is supposed to be dropping. So we should be dropping all the way. So now you should be focus on selling more than buying gold. All right. Focus more on selling than buying because the sales has more potentials than the buys based on the structure that is happening now. All right. Yes. So where should you buy? Where should you sell? If you are waiting to sell gold, this is where you should focus. And you can see it has already tested. Right. Yeah, but as it's supposed to be so, it can also come test this level as well. All right. But of course, this one is still valid and it has respected it already. So I will advise you to wait. Maybe by New York, it will try to take some liquidity down top there before dropping. Once you see a candle closing below this structure, which is at 33.09, then you can look for the sell all the way to 32.39 or 32.40. That's the higher time frame structure. All right. Yes. So this is all I see. And if you like the video, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel, comment, like, and share. And if you haven't joined the Telegram community, the link is in the bio. This is Pip Hunter here, and the Pip must pay. Make sure to manage your risk very well because you have no idea of which trade hitting your TP and which trade hitting your stop loss. It is only risk management which can keep you active in the game for the long run. And until then, I will see you in the next video and have a nice day.